Using Affirm, Klarna, or Afterpay, big changes are happening in 2025. And if you're buying a home soon, you're going to want to tune in before using Buy Now, Pay Laters. Now let's start with some updates. Affirm. Since April 1st of 2025, they're now reporting all pay in full and installments to Experian and TransUnion right now. So there's no score change at this moment, but this fall, FICO intends to update. And when they do the update, it's going to include your payments with them and it's going to start counting. Okay. The next one I want to talk about is Klarna. Klarna partially reports only. So they do pay over time loans and it goes to TransUnion. Short-term plans, it stay private. Soft checks only, no hard pulls. So that's still pretty good. Now Afterpay, they're still off the grid. They don't want no parts with this credit reporting thing, no credit checks, and they're definitely not going to help you build your credit. Now let's talk about FICO. FICO is doing a new game changer thing. And this fall, they're rolling out FICO 10 and their 10T models, which will add your buy now, pay later to your credit score. So if you pay late, you lose points. You pay on time, you get a credit boost. All right. Now, for all you people that are out there wanting to buy a house, you're searching, you're shopping, you're looking, you didn't hire your realtor, okay? You've been pre-approved. We want you at all costs to avoid buy now, pay laters completely until you get the home, the keys to the home after you close. Why? This can raise your debt to income ratio, guys. It can flag you as a higher risk and even kill the deal completely. And you don't want just little old pay as you go payments to stop you from purchasing your dream home. Okay? So I know buy now, pay laters feel like free money. But if you're close to your dream home, don't let a small loan mess it up. Keep everyone happy and then go shopping later. Simple. At Tax Savvy Refunds, we understand that taxes is an all year round concern and not just an April event. That's why we're so proud to announce that we're providing services year round so you can get the support you need when you need it. Here's the best part. You don't even have to leave your home or office. We help you virtually, anywhere in the world, as long as you have internet connection and a working phone line. So if you're tired of looking and searching for a tax professional throughout the year or during the summertime, reach out to Tax Savvy Refunds. Click on our website at taxsavvyrefunds.co and book your appointment right now. We have a ton of services that can be able to help you no matter where you are in the world. Talk to you soon. All right, so let's go ahead and recap. Let's bring it back to everything that we spoke about today in this video, which is Affirm. Remember, they report to Experian and TransUnion. So make sure you keep your payments on time. You don't want them popping up showing red flags, okay? Klarna, they're only going to show to TransUnion your pay over time loan. So anything after 4 payments, they're showing it. And Afterpay, they don't want the smoke. So we cool with Afterpay. All right. So again, if you're not home shopping, you can use pay later wisely. Go ahead and pay early or try Sezzle up for credit building. But if you are buying a home, it's a hard no for me as a realtor until after closing. All right. If you want more information on buy now, pay laters, make sure you make a comment down below. Share this video with some people that you don't know, some people that you do know, some people that need this information. We appreciate it. And if you have any questions, go ahead and use the comment. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you later. Okay.